I believe I have the power to grant myself freedom from worry. I manage stress from outside circumstances with grace and ease. I deserve to be worry-free. I release my worries. I trust my partnership with the universe. I allow my tension to melt away. I release my worries and fears as they no longer serve me. I attract tranquility and serenity. I deserve a peaceful life full of love. I am grounded. I am confident in who I am. I love the person I was. As I grow, I may feel sadness. My sadness is me letting go of my past self. I release who I was so I can become who I am meant to be. I love the person I am becoming. I am able to be alone with myself. I enjoy my own company. Inside me lies an endless capacity for calmness. Everywhere I go, I can bring calm with me. I easily find my inner peace. My inner peace is always present, waiting for me. My breath brings me back to the present moment. I breathe in calm. I breathe out peace. I breathe in peace. I breathe out love. I breathe in love. I breathe out relaxation. Life is beautiful and peaceful. I let go of any tension I feel. I relax my shoulders, neck, and stomach. I bring my mind to my breath. I am centered. I live a balanced life. I choose to live a peaceful life. My inner light embodies elegance, grace, and tranquility. I am the source of my own light. I am a luminary.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight to the point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.